Welcome to another instructional video. Today we're going to show you how to set up the Enviro board tabletop display. It is a tool-free assembly, so let's get started. It's important to note that the base rolls and folds into itself. Go ahead and identify the scored edges and begin folding in one side. Repeat the process for the opposite side. Fold in the outer flap and secure into place with the tab like so. If your graphic is double-sided, it folds together like so. Go ahead and insert the graphic in the channel of the base. And it's as simple as that. You're now ready to utilize the marketing power of your Enviro board tabletop display.